Essay 265, Communicating Deficiencies in Internal Control to TCWG and Management. Two questions are frequently asked from this essay. One is, what do you mean by deficiencies in internal control? And second one is short note on written communication in respect of deficiencies in internal control. So what is meaning of deficiencies in internal control? Inability of IC to prevent, detect and correct misstatements, or absence of control necessary to prevent, detect and correct misstatements are known as deficiencies in internal control. Okay, so what are the auditor's responsibility? Identification of deficiencies in internal control. Determine whether on the basis of work done any deficiencies in internal control is identified. Determine whether individually or in combination they constitute significant deficiencies. What are significant deficiencies or indicators of significant deficiencies? Evidence of ineffective aspects of control environment. Entity's risk assessment process is absent or ineffective. Ineffective response to identified significant risk. Correction of prior period misstatements arising due to fraud and error. Management inability to oversee financial statement preparation. Misstatements detected by the auditor's procedure were not prevented or detected and corrected by the entity internal control. So these are the significant deficiencies. Auditor's responsibility again related to communication of deficiencies in internal control. What should be the mode of communication? In writing. The mode of communication for communicating the internal control deficiency should be in writing to TCWG and to management. To TCWG, we are required to communicate significant deficiency, and to management, we are required to communicate all the significant deficiencies and other deficiencies also. The content of communication: descriptions of deficiencies, explanation of their potential effect, sufficient information to explain that the purpose of the audit is to express an opinion. IC is evaluated to design further audit procedures. Okay, so this was very simple essay 265, Communicating Deficiencies in Internal Control to TCWG and Management.